Bluelink's Car Finder feature allows you to locate your Hyundai quickly using either your mobile device or your computer. To use Car Finder, you must have an active Bluelink Advanced or Remote subscription that includes the Car Finder feature. For using Car Finder on your mobile device, you'll also need the My Hyundai app. To use Car Finder on your mobile device, log in to the My Hyundai app, select Locate Vehicle, or select Map, and then Vehicle Locator from the top menu. The app will show your vehicle location on a map. You can then choose to show directions to the location via your mobile device's navigation app. You can also choose to have the vehicle's horn sound and lights flash to assist in locating it. This can be helpful in a crowded parking lot. To use Car Finder on your computer, log into your My Hyundai account. Then select Car Finder. It may be on the home page under Controls, or you may need to go to Subscriptions. Enter your 4-digit PIN. As with the My Hyundai with Bluelink app, you will be able to see the location of the vehicle, as well as show directions to it, sound the horn, and flash the lights. For more information on your Hyundai, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the HyundaiUSA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.